So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about my top feminine hygiene products. So let's jump right on into it. So my number one product, of course, is going to be, boom, the Nutrablast Feminine pH Test Strips. If you guys have not tried these, or at least have this in your house for an emergency, this is it. I absolutely love this product. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and what it's used for. Now, these strips are to test your pH levels. Again, your vaginal pH levels. And it comes with a little key guide for you guys. So of course you have your normals and then you have your abnormals. And this is what it is. So basically all you do is take like a little Q-tip, swab the inside of your vaginal wall, and then you're going to take that and you just swipe it onto the test strip. And test strip's already yellow for you, so it's already at a level 3. This is normal. If it turns green, you got a problem, okay? So this is definitely a staple product to have in your house. Again, I love using this. It lets me know right then and there if I'm fresh, if I'm not. This product is the bomb, and it does exactly what it says it's going to do. Usually it takes about like 5 seconds to basically turn whatever color it's going to turn, and that will let you know if you need to go from there. I know that a lot of girls or women don't really know that they should keep a healthy pH, or if they even have a pH level. So I know I didn't know, especially since my mom didn't teach me that. I had to learn that on my own as I got older, that you know, you got to watch what you eat, you got to drink a lot of water. That can all mess up your pH balance. So that's like a number one thing. That and the next product, Renew Life Women's Vaginal. These are the Ultimate Flora Probiotic Peels right here. And they also help maintain your pH balance. I normally keep these in my refrigerator, and it just comes with a bunch of healthy bacteria for your body. Keep your vaginal area clean down there. So it comes with 50 billion live cultures, 10 probiotic strains. And I know a lot of people have done reviews on this product and they don't really like it, or it doesn't seem necessary to them. But to me, I don't think it's anything wrong with taking one like every so often, or if you think about it and you want to take some or whatever. I like this product. So this is definitely always in my refrigerator, and I will show you guys how big they are. They are kind of big, I'm not even gonna lie. If you are not a pill person, this might not be for you, but this is what they look like. And you can always take this stuff out of the capsule and put it into like water and just let it dissolve. But definitely think about taking a probiotic if you are struggling with like BV or just odor or anything like that. Again, a lot of water, watch what you eat, and this will help as well. And then you can always test your pH balance with these. Another product that I really like, that I don't do as often, is the boric acid. Now these are suppositories that you can insert into your vagina with the applicators, and you can do this for up to 7 days at a time, but I'm not really for it. I've tried it a couple of times and it's just messy, and you're supposed to do it at like bedtime. So if you are going to use them, like for instance, if you're trying to clear up BV, or if you have a odor or some type of discoloration with your discharge, these work good. I mean, it's always good to have them on hand just in case, like I said, emergencies. So yeah, so I mean, they're really easy to apply. You just put the suppository in this end and then just stick it up there like a tampon, and it's good to go. I suggest wearing like a panty liner, or like, you know, not Depends, but basically like a pad. You need to have one, a secure pad, because this does like leak out of you. But again, it's nothing wrong with trying this or having this in your house just in case. I do know that a lot of women tend to get BV a lot in the summer, just from wearing like tight clothing, or they have multiple partners, or whatever the case may be, or their partner has multiple partners and they don't know, this gonna help you. Not saying you're gonna help with, you know, STDs, but it's definitely going to help if you have like a lot of discharge, a lot of discoloration, or if you suspect that you have BV, because you will know if you have BV. One thing that I do love, like this is like my go-to wash, which is the Honey Pot Sensitive Wash. I have not used anything different since having my daughter, because like my pH was thrown completely off after having my daughter. And this right here, thebomb.com. I do not really use anything else to wash my vagina or vaginal area. This stuff right here, this is what you need. And if you don't want the sensitive, they also have normal, which is a little bit scented and I think a little bit heavier, because I do have the wipes. This is my also one of my staple products. I've already gone through about 2 boxes of these just because they're so easy and you can take them to go with you. So that's also another thing too. If you don't want your pH to be off, definitely think about investing in just like some to-go wipes. Summer Eve also has some to-go wipes as well, but I just think these work a lot better. They don't irritate your vagina like a lot of products do, like if they're scented. Even though these are scented, they do not irritate me. So yeah, so balance, nourish, restore. These are the bomb. And also, I can't say this enough, wipe from front to back. Wiping from front to back is going to keep you from getting UTIs. It's going to keep you from getting BV. It's going to keep you from having any type of symptom or anything wrong with your discharge or irritation. Wipe from front to back, and try to find you some of these because these things are sold out everywhere. Also, I didn't mention this, but the Nutrablast pH stuff, so all of this stuff, you can easily find this on Amazon, or you can go to their website. I just want to say that because I really do believe in these strips right here. They're going to help you. You don't necessarily need this, but these, they're going to help you out. Another wash that I really like is the Summer's Eve fragrance free. I will use this if I can't find this. So I always go for fragrance free when I can, because that's when your vagina becomes irritated, it's annoyed with you because you want to smell like flowers and stuff down there. That's not what it's for. You just need to clean it, and it needs to be thoroughly cleaned. So definitely always try to do a fragrance free. And another product that I absolutely keep on hand are these Yanni bath bombs. So this is a Yanni detox bath bomb. It has calendula, lavender, rose, mugwort, cinnamon, yarrow, rosemary, chamomile, and basil. And these are by Scented Ambrosia. I usually get them off of Etsy, and I think I order about 7 of these at a time just so I have them, and they are the bomb. It's like so much stuff in this ball right here that when you take a bath, you just feel like you're at a spa and you just want to soak. It's a Yanni detox. Just soak it out. Just let her take a little breather, self-care. Take a day, or you know, at least a couple hours just to yourself. Pamper yourself, love yourself. Get you some of these are bomb too. So yeah, so if I had to choose my top 3 products that you definitely should invest in, it is the Nutrablast pH feminine wipes, the Honey Pot, and the Honey Pot normal wipes. These 3 I would definitely recommend for sure. And again, if you suffer from BV a lot, then I would definitely suggest the boric acid by Nutrablast. So yeah, so those were my favorite products that I use, especially since we're in quarantine. You don't have nothing to do but self-care and really just take care of yourself at this point. So those are my products that are my go-to. Absolutely love them. Have to have them. Have to keep them in stock in my house. And I hope you guys found this video a little bit informative. If you guys didn't know that some of these products were on the market, I hope that you guys try them out. I will leave links for everything down below if I can find them in stock for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you guys have any questions about any of the products, and I'll be happy to answer them for you guys.